We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for Men, a product that has quickly become a favorite among users for its innovative design and high-quality craftsmanship. This belt comes in a convenient 2-pack, offering excellent value and versatility for both dress and casual wear. One of the standout features of this belt is its ratchet mechanism, which replaces traditional belt holes with a track system that allows for precise adjustment and a custom fit every time. This means no more struggling with fixed holes that never quite match your waist size. Instead, you can easily trim the belt to your exact measurement thanks to embossed lines and numbers on the back near the buckle, which guide you through the cutting process. The buckle detaches smoothly via a small lever, making the trimming process straightforward and mess-free. Users have praised the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for its comfort and fit, describing it as feeling like a high-end, custom-tailored accessory. The internal teeth of the buckle grip the belt securely, ensuring it stays in place throughout the day without slipping. This feature is especially appreciated by those who have fluctuating waist sizes or who prefer a belt that can adapt to different outfits and occasions. The belts are made from quality leather that feels durable and stylish, suitable for both professional and casual settings. Many reviewers have expressed satisfaction with the craftsmanship, noting that the materials used feel premium and that the belts seem built to last. This durability is a significant selling point for those who tend to wear belts until they are worn out. The 2-pack offering is another highlight, providing users with options to match different outfits or to have a backup belt ready. The belts are versatile in style, combining classic leather aesthetics with modern functionality. This combination has made the Zitahli Ratchet Belt a popular choice for gift giving, as it suits a wide range of tastes and needs. Customers have shared that they were pleasantly surprised by the quality and ease of use right out of the box, with some calling it the best belt they have ever owned. The ability to trim the belt to size means there is no wasted material or awkward excess, which is a common frustration with traditional belts. Performance-wise, the belt holds up well under daily use. The ratchet system remains smooth and reliable, and the leather maintains its appearance with minimal wear. Some users have expressed hope that the belts will maintain their durability over the long term, but early impressions suggest they will last for years. The design also avoids the common issue of belt holes stretching or tearing, which can ruin the look and function of a belt. Instead, the ratchet mechanism ensures a consistent fit without damage. From a usability standpoint, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt is easy to put on and take off, making it a convenient accessory for busy lifestyles. The secure grip of the buckle means you can move freely without worrying about the belt loosening. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who engage in activities that require frequent movement or who simply want a hassle-free belt experience. Overall, the Zitahli Ratchet Belt for Men stands out as a smart investment for anyone looking for a stylish, durable, and perfectly fitting belt. Its innovative ratchet design, combined with quality leather and thoughtful craftsmanship, makes it a product that users keep coming back to. If you have this belt or plan to get one, leaving a review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This belt is not just an accessory, but a practical upgrade to your wardrobe that merges tradition with modern convenience. It is truly one of the best belts available on the market today, and a must-have for men who value both style and function.